Now what we will do, we put under root x minus 1 is equal to 0 and under root 3x minus 2 plus under root 6x minus minus 5 minus under root 5x minus 4 equal to 0. When take under root taking square, what we get, x minus 1 under root square is equal to 0 square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Minus 1 become positive 1 when taken the right side. Similarly, under root 3x minus 2 plus under root 6x minus 5 minus under root 5x minus 4 become positive when taken the right side. Now taking square, we can, how to solve this whole equation? Taking square, if we take square, then under root becomes eliminate. Taking square, under root 3x minus 2 plus under root 6x minus 5 whole square is equal to 5x minus 4 whole square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. A this time I consider as a and this time as b. So a square plus b square plus 2a into b is equal to 5x minus 4. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. 3x minus 2 plus 6x minus 5 plus 2 under root 3x minus 2 into 6x minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9x and minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 2 under root plus 2 under 3x. 3x minus 2 into 6x minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 4. 5x 2 under root 3x minus 2 into 6x minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 4. Positive 9 become negative 9. X minus 7 become positive 7. Minus 5 minus 4x plus 7 minus 4 plus 3. 3x minus 2 and 6x minus 5. Now what we will do again, we will take square for eliminating under root. Again squaring 2 under root 3x minus 2 into 6x minus 5 square is equal to 3 minus 4x square. So squaring now 2 square and 3x minus 2 into 6x minus 5 into 6x minus 5 square is equal to 3 minus 4x square. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, 2 2s are 4. 6x minus 5 into 3x minus 2, but we will get 18x square minus 15x minus 12x plus 10. So 18x square minus 27x plus 10 is equal to 3 square, 3 is 9 plus 16 square minus 2a